Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasko and it's time for Massage Monday. This week I will share 3 ways I'm using this castor oil on my face. Castor oil has been around for centuries, but I was first introduced to the power of castor oil about 15 years ago. I was attending a seminar and there was this Caucasian lady whose skin was just beautiful. She wasn't wearing a makeup, but her skin was just glowing and taut and just beautiful. So I asked her what her secret was, and she told me that she was following what her grandma was doing, which was to put castor oil on her face and cover it with a hot towel every single night. I was very impressed, but I was younger and stupid, so I didn't do anything. Now I'm just older and stupid. I actually cut my own hair about this much yesterday watching a YouTube tutorial, and this is not what I was expecting. Luckily, my hair grows fast. Anyways, I didn't do anything until recently, until I developed so many spots and marks on my face. But better now than never, right? After researching, I got this castor oil which met my criteria, which were organic, cold pressed, hexane free, in a dark glass bottle to preserve its integrity. When you purchase a castor oil, check the smell. Pure castor oil has a subtle earthy or nutty scent. It should never smell synthetic or rancid. There are 5 key benefits of castor oil for your face. 1. Deep hydration. Castor oil is a natural humectant, which means it draws in moisture into your skin and it seals it. So it's especially good for dry, flaky areas. 2. Reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids like ricinoleic acid, and it helps boost collagen and elastin production. These are the 2 essential proteins for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. 3. Fights acne. Castor oil has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. That means it can calm acne without drying out your skin, like harsh treatments. Oil sounds like it clogs pores to cause acne, but this oil helps clear acne. 4. Soothes skin irritation. Whether you have sunburn, redness, or sensitive patches, castor oil's anti-inflammatory effect brings quick relief. 5. Fades dark spots and scars. With consistent use, castor oil can lighten hyperpigmentation and soften scar tissue thanks to its regenerative properties. I want this for this, but the key is consistent use, and that means I have to really discipline myself. But according to Strength Finder, discipline is ranked number 34, which is at the bottom of the list, so it pretty much doesn't exist in me. It's a miracle I've been posting weekly videos for 15 years. Now, how I use it on my face. The first way I use castor oil is to put it all over the clean face and neck, and cover it with hot towel, just as the grandma taught her. I don't remember her talking about her neck, but I'm adding neck because I think neck is part of the face. I simply soak the towel in hot water, wring it out, and place it on my face and neck until it gets cold. Castor oil is very thick, but some of it will be removed by the wet towel. You can also gently wipe it off if you don't want the stickiness. The second way I'm using is a variation of the first one, which is to use this desktop facial steamer so I can be hands-free. I slather castor oil on the clean face and neck and enjoy the steam action. Don't get too close to the source because too much heat is not good for your face. After you're done, the oil will still be there with the moisture from the steam. You can blot the moisture off or gently wipe off the oil with a wet towel. Don't be wiping it off with lots of frictions because that's bad for your face. The third way I'm using is by mixing with a toner. I usually use the booster serum on my clean face, followed by a toner. I don't do this in the morning, but at night, I mix the toner with the castor oil if I want to thin it out. You can adjust the thickness however you like when you mix it with your skincare product. If I feel like putting the castor oil as is in the thickest original form, I don't mix it with a toner. It's been about a month since I started doing this on a regular basis about 3-4 times a week. I'm noticing that my face is very hydrated whenever I treat my face with castor oil. It's like there's no chance your face will be dry if you use castor oil because it's so thick. When you choose to go to bed with your castor oil on your face, put a towel on your pillow because your pillow will get stained, especially if you're a side sleeper like me. Putting castor oil on my face is actually helping me sleep on my back when I don't feel like taking out the towel and put it on the pillow, removing the towel from the pillow the next morning and putting it in the laundry. I can be super lazy sometimes. Castor oil is also said to promote hair growth, although there's not enough scientific evidence. I have thin hair to begin with, but ever since I hit menopause, it's getting thinner. I've been meaning to try on my scalp consistently, but that means I have to go to bed with greasy hair, so I've given up so many times. But now that I have unexpectedly shorter hair, maybe it's easier. I sometimes do put castor oil on my eyebrows and eyelids for my eyelashes and my lips. The lips are not for hair, but I get chappy lips. My chappy lips are very hydrated and healed the next morning whenever I use castor oil. I know castor oil has so many other benefits, not just for your face. If you use castor oil, please share in the comments below how you use it for your health. Thanks for watching. Make it a great week.